Imagine living in a world where the very light that illuminates your night also assaults your ears. This was the reality of the late 19th century, when arc lamps, the cutting-edge technology of the time, came with a noisy price. But one man, Nikola Tesla, had a vision to silence this disturbance forever. In the late 1800s, cities around the world began to glow with the light of a new invention, the arc lamp. These lamps were revolutionary, casting light that was brighter than anything the world had seen before. They lit up streets, factories, and public spaces, ushering in a new era of urban life. But this brilliance came with a dark side. These arc lamps, while powerful, were far from perfect. They produced a constant, irritating noise that permeated the atmosphere, making them as much a nuisance as they were a marvel. The noise was more than just a minor inconvenience. It was a persistent hum, a droning buzz that changed in pitch and intensity depending on the current running through the lamps. This sound was not just an occasional irritation, it was a constant companion in any area where arc lamps were used. As arc lamps became more widespread, so did the problem. By the late 19th century, arc lighting had become the standard for public illumination in major cities around the world. But as more lamps were installed, the collective noise they generated became impossible to ignore. Public opinion was divided. On one hand, arc lamps were celebrated for their ability to light up the night, making streets safer and cities more vibrant. But on the other hand, the noise they produced led to widespread frustration and complaints. In factories, streets, and public spaces, the noise was a constant presence. It was a problem that seemed unsolvable, a flaw in an otherwise brilliant technology. For years, inventors and engineers tried to mitigate the sound, but no effective solution had been found. The question remained, could this new technology be perfected? Could the noise be silenced without sacrificing the brilliance of the arc lamps? This was the challenge that lay before the world's greatest minds, and one man, Nikola Tesla, would soon rise to meet it. Enter Nikola Tesla, a visionary inventor with a relentless drive to improve the world through his understanding of electricity. Tesla was fully aware of the issues with arc lamps, and he knew there had to be a solution. Tesla's plan? Address the root cause, the way the electric current was delivered. Tesla's genius lay in his understanding of the physics behind the noise. He realized that the loud humming sound was produced by the low-frequency current causing vibrations in the air. These slow, large oscillations of currents caused gas molecules in the arc to vibrate audibly, which produced this loud humming sound. Nikola Tesla thought, what if these vibrations could be pushed beyond the range of human hearing? His solution was as elegant as it was revolutionary. Instead of trying to dampen the sound physically, Tesla would make it disappear altogether by changing the nature of the current itself. Tesla theorized that by increasing the frequency of the current, making it oscillate tens of thousands of times per second, the noise would become inaudible, as the vibrations would occur too rapidly for human ears to detect. This was no small feat. To achieve this, Tesla needed to design a generator capable of creating these rapid oscillations, currents with frequencies of 10,000 or more cycles per second. So, let's dive deep into the design of the high-frequency generator designed by Nikola Tesla. By designing a generator with an unusually large number of poles, Tesla could produce the high-frequency currents required. The rapid alternations caused the gas in the arc to heat and cool so quickly that the noise-producing vibrations were effectively silenced. Let's break down how this high-pole alternator works. First, we have the main magnetic frame, called an annular frame, shaped like a ring. It's supported by brackets and rests on a base. Inside this ring, there are many small magnetic poles created by grooves cut into the frame. To energize these poles, we wind an insulated wire in a zigzag pattern through the grooves around the ring. This creates alternating magnetic fields. Some poles become north, while others become south, all the way around the ring. Next is the armature, which is the part that rotates. It's mounted on a shaft supported by bearings. The armature carries a circular frame with a core made of fine iron wires. This core is where we wind the armature coils, which are then connected in a series. When the machine runs, the magnetic fields from the poles interact with the rotating armature, generating alternating current. The current is collected through brushes and contact rings connected to the shaft. This design allows for a machine with hundreds of magnetic poles, and at speeds of 1,500 to 1,600 revolutions per minute, it can generate up to 11,000 alternating currents per second, ideal for high-frequency applications. In this way, Nikola Tesla designed his high-frequency alternating current generator. Another advantage of using this high-frequency generator is that it makes the arc act more like it's produced from a continuous current. This happens because the quick, repeated pulses keep the gas hot, preventing it from cooling down too much. As a result, the arc stays steady and doesn't lose strength. The noise of arc lamps may seem like a small issue today, but Tesla's solution was a turning point in the journey to the modern electrical world we now live in. Nikola Tesla's work on arc lamps is just one chapter in his incredible story, a story that has shaped the world we live in today. Tesla's contributions extended far beyond silent lighting. His genius touched everything from alternating current to wireless communication, solidifying his role as one of history's greatest inventors. There are many other amazing innovations by Tesla. As we move toward a future powered by renewable energy, we continue to stand on the shoulders of giants like Tesla, whose contributions continue to light the way forward. If you enjoyed this exploration into Tesla's genius, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more content on groundbreaking inventions, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. For more videos on Nikola Tesla's inventions, kindly visit my channel.